Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have the palette revealed for November. Now this is the Scarlet subscription. If you're not, all their information below. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was my BoxyCharm updates. Congratulations, Amber Vananaman. I think that's how you say that. If it ain't, don't you come after me, Amber. Anyways, Amber says, woohoo, love spoilers. Well, I do too, Amber. I love putting these out for y'all, and I really appreciate that, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned to the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and show you this palette. I think this is absolutely beautiful. I think it is perfect for this fall weather. I really do love it. Now this palette was made with Cait. She's on YouTube. She's also on Instagram. I'll link all of her information below. So she is the curator of this palette. Now of course you know in every Scarlet palette you get 3 shadows, you get 2 face powders, and you also get 2 lip creams and also a little side item. So let's go ahead and look at it. So the 3 shadows, we see a yellow shade, we see a yellow gold, which is a shimmer, and then we see a rose gold, which is a shimmer. The yellow looks like a matte, the first color. So I think that is absolutely perfect. And then the 2 face powders, that one either looks like a highlighter, it could be possibly a bronzer, but I really think it's a highlighter. And then the second face powder is that blush, and you know it is this orange tone. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. So the 2 lip creams that you're going to be getting in this palette, one of them is a really deep dark burgundy. I think that's absolutely perfect for vampy lips during the fall. And then the second one is this orange shade. Again, something just perfect. I mean, this palette just screams fall to me. Now on the side with this one, you will be getting a mascara. And again, this palette was curated by Cait. And again, if you want to check her out, I'm going to link all of her stuff down below. And with Scarlet, it is $22.46 for your first month. And then every month after that, it's going to be $29.95, which ain't bad. You know, if you're a palette lover, you're going to love this subscription. Of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. And as always, Scarlet will be linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Kelly Gordon. Kelly says, love this. Well, thank you, Kelly. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll be on top of all the spoilers. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.